$392 a day with affiliate marketing on autopilot. What's going on, my friends? I'm Charles from Mindset.win. Welcome to this videos about how to make money online with cost per action CPA. And the lesson today is how to make money online with cost per action.
Now, as of July 2018 and going forward, CPA marketing is one of the hottest IM trends out there. There are many CPA marketers who are making a killing promoting different CPA offers. And the great news is that from today onwards, because you're part of CPA Pilot, you're also going to be one of them, irrespective of your internet marketing background or CPA background, because they're going to do everything holding your hand step by step possible to help you make those kind of income once you go through this particular course and start implementing what is taught for you inside. So first, let's understand that what is CPA marketing all about. You might have heard the term CPA, you might not have heard the term. Now, CPA stands for cost per action. Now, you are paid for certain action of your target audience. For example, you might be promoting a make money online offer and you might be paid for them submitting their email ID, or you might be getting paid for their email ID submission and email confirmation. It can be someone submitting email ID and phone number. They're buying some trial offer or entering their credit card. So for those action, you are paid a commission by your CPA network. What happens? Your advertiser pays to CPA network and then they pay your commission your way. Now the great part is that to make money in CPA, in most of the cases, like 95% of the cases, you don't have to make a sale. You can simply clear an action, and for doing that you are paid a commission. All right, now once you do that, you can start having paydays like this. And you can see the EPC over here like 0.46, which is pretty awesome, and paydays like this one and this one. Okay, now I'm not showing it to brag or boast about myself, but once you play by the rules and once you go by the exact methods which I'm going to show to you, these are going to be also achievable for you. Now let me warn you, this is not my profit, these are revenues per day. Of course, I had to invest into traffic for these particular numbers. However, the profit margin is more or less 50% or a bit above in all of these campaigns, which is again pretty awesome. Plus, you can build your list from this and you can again make recurring commissions from there. So there is a right way and there is a wrong way of building your CPA marketing business, and that's very, very important for you to understand, and that's the key differentiating factor. While few people make money promoting CPA offers, while the vast majority of people can never make a dime promoting CPA offers. So what they do right, we have to understand that and you have to play by those rule books. Okay, so what is the exact strategy we're going to learn inside this particular course? We are going to learn about the right CPA network which you should pick, because once you promote an offer, it's important for you that the network is very stable, they pay you in the right time, for example every weekly basis. You have to select the right niche, which is the hot trending niche in the industry. You have to pick the right offers, again very important. You cannot pick up a random offer and expect to throw some traffic and make some money online. It never happens. And why 95% CPA marketers fail is because they kind of pick up any random offer or offers and they try to send traffic to those offers without thinking about the strategy, and that's a sheer short way to fail in CPA marketing, and you should avoid that right in the beginning. Then you should also have the right traffic sources which is going to convert for those offers, and of course right landers. Landers means once you promote a particular offer, you design a page so your audience, your traffic see that page, so they get warmed up by seeing that page, and then they see the actual offer page of yours. So these are the important things which you should have in hand once you are trying to promote any CPA offers. So few important terms which we should understand before we begin. The first thing is EPC. EPC stands for earning per click, means how much money you are making per click. CPC stands for cost per click, means how much money you are paying per click in your traffic source. Then there is something called conversion rate, meaning the people who are actually seeing your offer, how many of them are actually converting into a commission for you. Then it's ROI, means return on investment, how much money you are paying for any particular CPA offer and how much money you are making out of that. Then we should learn about landers, means I've already discussed this in brief, that we design kind of a pre-sale page. It can be a squeeze page, it can be a simple bridge page of which your traffic comes and then they actually go to your offer page. Now one more important thing here to understand, we'll be seeing two kinds of pages over here. We'll be building our list with certain kind of CPA offers, and we will also be sending them directly to the CPA offers without capturing list, because sometimes that's the way the conversion is higher. So we'll see both this kind of things and you can take a decision according to your choice. And then very important term to understand is tweaking and optimizing. After we run CPA offers, we have to understand one important thing, that if you run 5 offers, it's never ever that your 5 out of 5 offers are going to be profitable. It's a high probability out of 5 only one offer is going to give you a positive ROI, or out of 10 offers only one is going to give a positive ROI. So once you run an offer, what you have to do, you have to tweak and test and optimize your offers, okay, so that you can get a winning campaign and then you can build on that. So these are the few important terms I want to talk to you in this particular video. Now next video onwards, we are going to dig deeper and we are going to first see that why CPA marketing in a bit details, because before we do something, we should also understand the industry and why we are doing that, because without understanding that, your base is never clear about the subject. So first we'll understand why CPA marketing, and then step by step we are going to dig deeper, and it's going to be an absolutely awesome journey with you. So thanks a lot once again for watching this video. I hope that you are getting as excited as I am via these courses, and I'll see you inside the next video.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel to learn lessons in series of CPA tutorial videos.